Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how we can get internet in Dubai and what is the best way how we can get data for your phone. So I'm going to share with you what worked for me and what I recommend. So the first one is using Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile is an eSIM provider, so you don't have to go to store and actually buy a SIM card. You can do everything online. All you have to do is have a compatible eSIM phone, and that's how it works. So when you're going to be in Maya Mobile, you're going to have discount down below in description. Here in search, you're going to write United, and you're going to United Arab Emirates. Click on it, and when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down and you're going to find all the data plans. So you can choose 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. So you're going to have the days right here, and then you're going to choose the gigabyte option. So let's say that you're going to choose the 5 gigabyte for 15 day, or even you can get unlimited if you want. So completely up to you. I don't know how much data you need. And here I'm going to press activate now. And what is going to happen is that you're going to have the starting date here. Also, how many days, like 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. And then you're going to find a discount, 10% discount from me. And what you have to do is when you're going to fill it out and pay for it, you're going to get a QR code to your email address that you have to scan with your phone. And I made even a full tutorial on how you can activate a SIM card with Maya Mobile. And when you're going to do it and you're going to activate the card, that's how you're going to do it. Probably you have to restart the phone, but that's pretty much it. Also, you're going to have Airalo. That's a similar company comparing to Maya Mobile. And same thing, you're going to have United Arab Emirates. And here you're going to have the 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, or 5 gigabyte of data. And you see right here that you can buy it. But as you can see, with 15 days with Maya Mobile is even cheaper comparing to Airalo. So I recommend using Maya Mobile for the Emirates. And also what you can do is you can use HoloFly. And here you're going to have the unlimited data. So if you want to have, let's say, 20 days unlimited data, you can use it. And you can have also discount down below in description too. So that's how it works. And these are the ways how we can use it. If you're going to use Airalo, you're going to have again the QR code. Same thing with HoloFly. You just have to activate it, and that's pretty much it. It's nothing really difficult to do or understand and how it works. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. Again, you come here to Maya Mobile. In a search, you're gonna write United Arab Emirates. You're gonna search for it, and then you can get a plan. Super simple and effective. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.